Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. I have a short video today. It's a review, it's a demonstration. So I was at the Dollar Tree and I found this little tool right here by McCormick, and it was only $1.25. So I figured, you know what? Why not try this out? I'm getting into avocados. So I've already rinsed it off, so it's clean. This is my first time using the avocado tool, so we're going to see how it works. All right, let's go. So they say it's a 3-in-1. So obviously this part right here is a knife. So we're just gonna cut it, and hopefully it's ripe. It feels soft enough. I think it is. Hopefully it's not brown on the inside. I hope not. So let's see. I'm gonna turn it. Yay! We got a pretty one this time. Last time I was gonna do this about a week ago, my avocado had gotten too old. It was brown, so I let it get too ripe. So now, to get the pit out, let's see. I think this part right here helps get the pit out, okay? So we're gonna see. Oh, yay. Okay. Look at that. I'm gonna be a pro. All right, so I'm gonna close the little knife part up so I don't stab my food self. And obviously this round part is the part that goes into the opening. So we're gonna try this. And this thing, y'all, is really, like, it got some weight to it. So it's not real cheap and flimsy. So I like it so far. So I'm supposed to cut it. And it cuts in slices. Okay. And this right here came out. It just the way I did it. But it got all of it out. And look how clean it came. So, okay, let's do this one. Put it all the way in, and then, oh, I like that way better. Okay, then you gotta help it push it through. All right, that one came out a little bit better. Okay. So that one came out clean as well. You can use a spoon and scrape that on down some more if you want to, but I think that's crud. So yeah, so I think this did good. Came out in the little perfect slices. You can make you some good avocado toast and put you some everything but the salt seasoning. So yeah, that's all for this video. I give it out of 10 stars. I give it probably about a 7, somewhere in there, because I know it's some other tools out there that's a little bit faster and more precise, but this is good for $1.25. I really like it. I am going to keep it, and when I have an avocado, I'm going to use this to make my little slices, because if anything, I like the little ridges to make the slices. So I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.